Hi everybody, I am planting these. I have 2 packages of them, and so I'm getting ready to plant them. I have my seed markers, but I don't think I'm using them. I got this for $5 at Dollar General. It grows 72 trays. Then I bought this. Whoops. This is eco-friendly, made from plants. It's Coco Core. Burpee, 8 quarts, and I added water to it. And in this great big pail, or pot, old-fashioned one, I filled up my 72 trays. This is the Tucker tote I use to soak my orchids in. So I thought I'd go over some hints about things. Peas, and I have some sweet peas here. They should be soaked before you plant them, and supposedly, I grew up in the Pittsburgh area, you're supposed to plant them around St. Patrick's Day. And I just read recently where if you soak seeds like this in hydrogen peroxide overnight, they germinate better. So they soak up water and they are not bad. I'm going to pause for a second. Oops. I don't know what happened here. I guess it's still recording. Something else popped up on my screen. Alright, these bamboo skewers, I was able to write what seeds they were. And I saved some seeds from my coleus last year. And this one had blue flowers. I'm not exactly sure which one that was. Now let me give you a hint. If you don't use up all your seeds, see, this goes on here. That's seeds, these are seeds, that's seeds. Seeds everywhere. You need to save these little things. Put them in with your seeds and it keeps the moisture out, and then you get better germination the next year if you haven't used them up. So, there's what I'm going to soak the coleus in. I used up all the skewers that had the little handle on, so I'm going to need to buy some more. I'm very ambitious right now. I'm going to plant these. It looks like they're regular sized tomatoes and cherry tomatoes, all colors. And on the back, it tells you contains 10% orange, 20% red, 10% black red, 10% purple, 20% all color stripe, 10% green, 20% pink. So you got to plant all of them. I saw these and I thought, oh, that's interesting. So we're going to plant them. Snapdragons need to be planted early. These African daisies do. The sooner you can get these in the ground, the better the root system is. And pansies are about $4 a dozen. So I figured I should buy some of them. If you get your columbine planted early enough, usually it takes a second year to bloom. But maybe since I'm starting them early, they might bloom this year. I think the same goes for delphinium. And these are supposed to be planted 2 months before you can put them outside. I also bought this salvia, and we'll see how it goes. I figured it was the cost of a 6-pack. This is the kind of coleus I planted last year, and I planted 2 packages. I'm only planting 1 this time. And then last year I got a couple little flower pots that you were supposed to plant these pansies in, but that was at the end of the summer. So we'll see what these pansies look like. And this little plate I have everything in, I got at the dollar store. It has like little wheels on the bottom. Not real handy, but we'll see. And this little 6-pack, which is deeper, I bought at the dollar store. So, oh, and I put these here because when you plant seedlings out like tomato plants, and sometimes they get those caterpillars that lop it off, put this around your little seedlings as you plant them. Or you can put these in a bowl or a dish, cut them in half maybe, and you can start your seeds in them, and then you can plant the whole thing in the ground. One other thing, you can see I'm working over paper bags. Get your groceries in paper bags at the grocery store, and use all your paper bags and all your cardboard out in your garden. Your flower beds, before you put the mulch down, pull it all back, put the cardboard down, put the paper bags down, cover it up with mulch, and the worms will love you because it's food for them. So I am going to pause this for a minute because I want to show you one more thing. Alright, these are my favorite things to fertilize my houseplants with. So if I don't get around to mixing up Miracle-Gro, I know they're well taken care of. And I didn't use them quite as much last year because in that big tote I mix up my nutrient solution for my orchids, so I was using that a lot. But I'm going back to making sure I put that in the pot too. Now, these pepper seeds, this came out of a yellow pepper, and that came out of a red pepper, and that one came out of the orange pepper, I think. I'll have to figure it out. Now I'm dropping seeds. My friend Carolyn in Canada grows peppers from seeds she saved from peppers that grew in Mexico. So these peppers were very good and very sweet, so I thought I'd save some of the seeds. I put the rest of it out for the birds to eat. Birds like the little pepper seeds. I also have some cherry tomatoes here, and we all buy some packages of tomatoes, cartons of tomatoes, whatever, and they don't do so good. So instead of just throwing these straight in the trash, I'm going to get the seeds out of them and mark what they are and grow them like I did last year. Last year I had cherry tomatoes of every different color. So those are all my hints I think I was going to tell you about. And your coffee containers, especially the plastic ones, are good, or the metal ones. That one over there, McCafe from McDonald's brand, it's in cardboard, so I'm going to try to replace that next coffee that's gone. So 72 trays. I wonder how many I'll get planted. Take care, my plant friends. And thank you for coming to my channel and watching my video. And I hope these pansies grow. I've never grown sweet peas before. Anyhow, there I go down another bird path. So, oh, I forgot to show you these. I thought this would be good to start seeds in. And I could put those lined up in there. And then at the dollar store, Dollar Tree, they had these cute little guys. I got 2 like that. They were new since the last haul I did. Nice pretty little ceramic mushrooms. Here's 3 little guys, and a turtle, an owl, and a porcupine. Cute little frog. Another style of mushroom. And another little guy. So those were all at the dollar store. I'm not sure if you saw. Let me see if I can get it. I don't see it. There it is. Here it is. Sorry about that, everybody. How's that little frog look? Cute little guy. So, they don't match, but they're cute. So, thank you for coming to my channel. I appreciate each and every one of you so much. And be looking soon, as soon as I get out of this house, to go get the flower pot that I want. I'm going to be having my 2,000 subscriber giveaway. So, I'll give you a heads up about that, and then post it, and we'll see who wins the little flower pot and a couple other things, because I think it's still too cold to mail a plant. Love you guys. Take care. Hope whatever YouTube picks to show as my little finger trying to get you, like, come here, look at what I've filmed, shows up something pretty. I don't know how to figure out how to have that little picture show up. Well, take care. I'm rambling on. Stay healthy. Help your immune system. Take your vitamin C and vitamin D. Eat your vegetables. Eat your fruit. I'm a coffee drinker, but I've also been drinking tea with lemon slices that I squeeze into my tea for extra vitamin C, natural vitamin C. Stay healthy. God bless everybody. God bless you, your family, your pets, and your plants. Till next time, bye-bye.